You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation for more confusing pronunciations that are confusing, including from Chinese, but also Vietnamese and other. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got tons more coming up at the end of the video. So it's pronounced in English, generally said as Z. Some say it as C as well, and I believe this is because in Chinese it's somewhere in between S and Z, or S and Z. C, C, C would be the pronunciation. So either C or Z. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.